Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and searching the exact location or zooming to the area. Once done, drag Pegman onto a blue line to enter Street View. That blue indicates 360 imagery. Make sure you're in the latest app or browser version so panoramas load correctly. If you want user-contributed 360s, tap Layers and enable Street View or Photos. This gets you into the immersive mode quickly, so you can begin navigating the 360-degree view. Now you're inside the panorama. Rotate by dragging with your mouse or swiping with your finger, and zoom with the wheel or pinch to see details like signage and storefronts. Once you locate a point of interest, use the white arrows or the small timeline thumbnails at the bottom to jump along connected 360s. This moves you smoothly down the street. If you need an overhead reference, press the map thumbnail to reorient. These controls let you explore the scene fully and plan your next step. Finish by sharing or saving the exact 360 view. Click Share to copy a link or embed code, which preserves the camera angle and location. If you want to add your own 360 photos, open the Street View app, follow the capture prompts, and publish when stitched. If panoramas fail to load, try clearing cache, updating the app, or switching Wi-Fi to mobile data. Often connectivity or an outdated app blocks 360 tiles. That troubleshooting step usually resolves the issue fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.